You're gonna see all the energy. Hello everybody, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 4 of Vlogmas 2018 and today we are going to be doing our first tutorial of the season. So I actually came across this tutorial quite a while ago and it's not exactly for Christmas, but I decided to kind of make it a little bit more Christmassy. We are going to be making red glittery shoes. So basically I found this tutorial from Crafts After College, so I'll link it down below, and it's called Dorothy Shoes. All you have to do really is take a cheap old pair of pumps, throw a whole bunch of glitter on them, and you're done. But unfortunately it's not as easy as it sounds. So to make these you only need a few items. You need obviously a pair of shoes. I actually bought these Steve Maddens from a local consignment store for like $12. And you need some red glitter, some fabric glue or jewel glue, and of course a brush. The instructions are very easy. It basically just says brush the amount of glue all over the shoes and then cover with glitter. And then obviously make sure that you have something underneath because you're going to get glitter everywhere. So when Jessica posted this tutorial, she said it only took her 2 times to cover them with glitter and she was done. She also did like 2 hours in between. Basically what I did was I covered them in glue and then glitter. And then I did glue and glitter right away again. And I waited overnight, woke up the next morning, did it all over again. So even though it took her maybe a period of like 4 hours, it took me technically 2 days because of the amount of times that I went over them with glitter. And you can still see in the video that there are spots that still don't have glitter. And they shed glitter everywhere, like everywhere. I was going to work the next day and I had glitter. I just recorded the actual me being in the shoes and you can see how there's like glitter in my nails. It gets everywhere. So it wasn't my favorite, but they do look really cute. Alright, so after just walking once, you can see how this glue is not exactly the best. There's still glitter everywhere on my foot now. That's kind of really hurt. Even though the shoes seem like they are a good concept, I don't believe that the actual execution is... They just weren't executed. Executed? Was that the right word? Now I don't feel like execute is like kill people. It just was not executed very well. All over my house, my kitchen, my car, pants, body, toes, and not as much on the shoes as when I first did the tutorial. Either way, it was really fun to do. I got to listen to Christmas music while I did it and just kind of like had some me time. So it's really fun. I just think that with the amount of glitter that came off, it just wasn't worth it, even though they looked really cute. And that's about all that I have to say about this. So thank you so much for watching this episode of Vlogmas. Feel free to like this video as well as comment down below. And you tell me, have you ever done any crafts with any shoes? I haven't. This is my first one. Have you done any crafts with any glitter? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel so you can continue getting updates on other videos that are to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.